Alright, market hasn't opened yet. It's barely 9. So it's 6:16 on West Coast. Eastern time is already 9:16, so we gotta mark our highs and lows real quick. So we're on a Friday, so we gotta mark our previous daily lows from Friday, from Thursday. So Thursday, we got Thursdays. Switch these to previous daily lows. These are my previous daily highs. I gotta lock in. Lock in. We got 9 minutes to market opens. So that already opened, bro. That's a 5:30. The actual percentage previous. Okay. Yeah, so I made it full push down. So all I want to see is trend reversal back again. So we can get sweep these lows right here. Market opens, create a fair value gap, continuation of fair value gap, break of structure, and then back up to the upside, filling all these other highs. That's the strategy. If not, I mean, there's nothing else to fill out. If it goes even lower than that, it's ES, Nasdaq. Nasdaq is the same thing, so. So let's see what happens here in this area. Right now in the 1 hour chart we're looking pretty bearish. Let's drop down. So we went bullish, accumulation area, got a little swing, and then bearish, filling out these lows, filling these lows, filling out these lows. We were about to fill out these lows, but we didn't fill out those lows. If I believe if we're looking bearish, we're probably gonna see New York session take out these lows down here, liquidity. So bias is continuation, so it's gonna continue. And then probably the next move would be a manipulation up to the upside. We already had taken Asian and London lows by pre-market session from New York. For now, market's bearish. Market is bearish. Will we be able to refill this gap for a bit, touch it, and then push back down? Making this our market structure break this one right here. Refill this gap. And if we can, could we be able to take a trade soon from this fair value gap? Because we already did it here. We're pushing, pushed up, and then a major push down. Does it give me an indication that push up, push down, push up, the push up, push down, push up, push down, push up? Can wait for a retracement or a double sweeper and then push down, but market's about to open, so if I believe that the market opening is just going to be able to push it down. Market open, reach the middle. Refilling up these cells. We're reaching those cells right now. I don't mind if it reaches down to this area and then it pushes back down, but it's pushing down right now. Yes, filled it up. And then brick of structure here. We can even break it down even more to the 5-minute chart. So you can see a breaker structure here. Just wanna wait. You gotta wait, guys. You gotta wait. We want to see what's the stronger index. So right now we see ES kind of like pushing down, but then we see Nasdaq pushing up. So they're not both deciding what's going on right now. Our bias, it's telling us that in the 1 hour chart that we're looking bearish since this trend, but now you see a bullish candle there. Also here in Nasdaq you see bearish, but not the bullish candle. So we just want to wait for this situation to see what market wants to tell us and where it's going to head now. But we're looking on the side that we're looking at, it's bearish. I'm looking at a bearish bias. Yeah, we just want to see what the market's gonna tell us. We're just gonna so it's literally can flip up to the upside now and then just push back up. But yeah, you see they're both pretty weird right now. So right now it's not really a good chance to take a trade at all. I just want to be patient and see what the market's going to tell us. Yeah, it's respecting the fair value gap. This one too, just because the wick came out, but doesn't really matter as long as their body conduct doesn't come out. It's just like the breakup structure situation. S&P 500 broke, so if ES broke, we want to see Nasdaq break to the downside. So we're just waiting for Nasdaq to break to the downside now. ES broke down. In this situation, you want to get both confirmations up on both indexes. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, yes, let's break it down up. We can literally sweep this and then push back up to this area, bro. S&P 500 broke, but Nasdaq's not breaking.
Just want you to use me, take me and abuse me. I got no taboos. I make a trade with you, do anything you want me to. Money talks, dirty cash. I want you, and dirty cash I need you. Oh, money talks, dirty cash. I want you, dirty cash I need you. Oh.
The one that you asked for, I'm wanted by the rich and the poor. More and more, you just can't reject it. And I'm the one that can relate to you, him, her, and your buddy. Cause everybody wants some. Money ain't all, but you can't excuse it. The way I'm living, I got to use it.
I once had pride, now that's all behind. I want to get rich quick. I want success and all that goes with it. And I'm gonna use my sex. Money talks, dirty cash. I want you, and dirty cash I need you. Oh, money talks, dirty cash. I want you, dirty cash I need you. Oh. Dirty cash, I want you. Dirty cash, I need you. Oh. Dirty cash. Dirty cash.
People are lying in the street, trying to find somebody who'll get them to the top and give them that fast. Trying to get to that dirty cash, it doesn't matter. Woman or man, anyone who'll give them a hand, cash money. That green, cold cash, that's the scene.
I've no excuse. I just want you to use me. Take me and abuse me. I got no taboos. I make a trade with you. Do anything you want me to. Money talks, dirty cash. I want you, and dirty cash I need you. Oh, money talks, dirty cash. I want you. I want your money. Dirty cash, I want you. Dirty cash, I need you. Oh, give me your money. Ooh, yeah, yeah. I want your money. Yeah, yeah. Dirty cash, I want you. Dirty cash, I need you. Oh.
Shawty get hit. Shawty look hit when the lights on. Shawty look hit when the lights on. Shawty look hit when the lights on. Shawty look bitch when the lights on. Shawty look with the lights on. I ain't even fucking at the lights on. I ain't even fucking at the lights on. Shawty look hit with the lights on. lights off, get the night on. Turn the lights off, get the night on. King Kong beat it to the night on. Shorty fell in love with the python.
I promise, guys, I'm not that crazy, bro. Not that crazy. That crazy. You're gonna disrespect my Fair Valley Gap, brother? You guys see we're kind of like sweeping, bro. It's like undecisive, yeah. We set these lows, but will it go even lower? Like, wants to suit these highs, but I don't know what's trying to do, bro. Took market structure break on here, but see if you would have took trade here. Let's say if you would have got into this market structure break. Oh, usually it's right after the candle closes, so you guys would have got doom. Right there, you see? Well, if you put your take profit up here, you guys would have got doom. Ready, I am at my phone. Okay. Still looking bullish, so if it leads pushing it back down, I'm expecting Nasdaq to push back down too. And I really wanted to push that down here, so Nasdaq can at least be around here, this area. There we go, so we are going into that area. We disrespected this fair value gap, so it's continuation back to the downside. And then we see, yeah, perfect. That's what we wanted. So recap again. Liquidity sweeps. Liquidity sweeps. We swept these London's Asians. Alright. Just this up here. We swept lows, 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 lows. We swept lows. So we have highs all the way up here, but we swept these lows. We swept these lows. We swept these lows. So right now we're sweeping lows right now, bro. And like I said, it looks in bearish, just like this area right here. Bearish because it swept these lows, and then we swept all the lows over there on the other side. So now we're sweeping these lows, and these lows because there was highs and then highs. So let's see what the market really wants to do, bro, because they're both buys, bro. One is indicating us bearish, and then the other one is indicating with a bullish candle. So what are you guys trying to do today, bro? What are you guys trying to do? Come on, pick a side. Both of y'all have to pick a side, bro. We have to agree on something. Can't just be ranging on something, bro. Okay, so now market structure broke. Easy way to like indicate your market structure breaks. Let's just switch me to yes. Beginner mode. If you want to see beginner mode, how to indicate your market structure break, there. If you want to see double confirmation of market structure break, there. And it's marking your market structure breaks. See, equal lows, equal lows. Just same thing like this one, but this one we still have our market structure break that hasn't broke yet. So we're waiting for that one. This one's pushed back up, so this one broke, but it's an invalid market structure break. This is the lowest low, so you always want to pick on the lowest low. So there you go. We respected the fair value gap pretty well, not gonna lie. Just as Nasdaq. So we gotta lock the fuck in, bro. I'm kind of heading more into Nasdaq just because of the fact that it's kind of like being this, well, S&P is being the stronger index, so whatever S&P is, if it's gonna push back down to the downside, I'll see Nasdaq pushing back down to the downside. And if it holds a bit, I'll see ES pushing back up, just like how it happened on right here in this area. Push down and then push back up. This one, literally, it's accumulation area right now. It's accumulating. So this one's giving me a better bias. Like, okay, so if ES breaks and this one breaks back too again, we're picking that side, bro. Oh. Okay, we're breaking our fair value gap now. Can be a sweep, remember guys, it can be a sweep also, where it just breaks it but it just doesn't sweep it all the way. You see, it's just as long as it closes, that's all that matters. Like if it closes, you should be good. Yeah, you see, it's just gonna close there. What is our 1 hour telling us right now? We're still looking undecisive. So like I said, it's just accumulating area. We have ES. What is ES telling us? It's bearish. So we're looking at the bearish candles going back down. That's perfectly fine. We got an SMT divergent right there, guys. SMT, so it's gonna be pushing back down for sure, bro. It's got to push back down. We can't see it push back up again. We just swept liquidities twice, bro. And we swept the highest liquidity, so we gotta see it push down again, bro. Come on. We gotta see it push down no matter what. If market structure breaks and then I see the next candle, I'll enter. But right now we're just looking at this. Right now we swept pretty good highs now. Pretty good highs. pretty good highs. And we're also respecting the fair value gap. We're literally, there's no candle closing above it, so this is a in fair value market structure break. So new fair value, new market structure break here. We gotta see this shit push back up. Come on. Push back down, sorry, we gotta see this push back down. We swept lows, we're sweeping lows on the lower frame, on the lower liquidities. We're respecting the fair value gap, we're not pushing above it. Two perfect confluence indications. And then we have to push this fair value gap right here. You see, this is just pushing up, pushing down, pushing up, pushing down. So if we were to disrespect this fair value gap here and continue back to the downside, please, please. Fucking nappy hair today, bro. Fucking hate my hair how it just, that shit just curls, bro. Just like waves out. Oh, I look like Assassin's Creed, bro. Just gotta. There we go. Hell yeah. Alright. Coffee in the Celsius, bro. Cheers. Minute. Perfect. 5 minute. Alright. Accumulation area is still on this bad boy. Accumulating. No emotions at all. No emotions at all. Neutral. Straight strategize this, bro. So like how we said, we want to disrespect this fair value gap right now, bro. We really do want to disrespect this fair value gap so we can pass our market structure break, and then that's it. So respect this gap, bro. Market structure break. Confirmation. We got liquidity sweeps. Respecting. Now, there was a big arrow. Respecting the 1 hour gap. There you go. Liquidity sweeps, push back down, respected the fair value gap. Now we see this 5 minute fair value, well, this 1 minute fair value gap from this candle to this candle. We want to disrespect that 1 minute gap. Disrespect that 1 minute gap. Disrespect that 1 minute gap. Confluence confirmation. confluence confirmation. There we go. So ES broke down now. So now we want to see Nasdaq break down too, bro. Come on, nasty. Come on, bro. Break down. Ugh. 9:58. So we already did manipulations, bro. Manipulations are 9:30 to 9:50. 9:30 here, 9:50 here. Manipulated. You see, manipulated on the highest liquidities, pushing it back down. Now 10:10 would be our entry area, basically. So 10:10 would probably be like right here, bro. So this is 10:10. So hopefully around that. It doesn't really matter about that. It doesn't really matter. Alright, perfect. And then how we're looking at one hour? Oh, perfect. 1 hour? Perfect, bro. Alright. Stop being undecisive, Nasdaq. Follow your twin over here, bro. What is he doing? Oh shit. Not the 5 minute. Oh shit. Stop being indecisive. Bro, what is you doing, my brother? Again with another third liquidity sweeper up here. Bro. Okay, we swept these lows. We swept those lows, but we haven't swept these lows either yet. So we gotta, and then these highs right here swept these highs and these highs. Let's see if it's gonna sweep these highs now with a, is it gonna push higher? Oh, there you go. Oh my god, there you go. ES is following it with it too. Let's see what it wants to do now. Okay, so we disrespected now this area. We're gonna put it on a 5 minute chart. Let's see the 5 minute chart. Break of structure would be, oh shit. Break of structure would be this area, but literally we can just sweep these and then just push it back down, not gonna lie. But we disrespected the 1 hour gap. And then we respected our 1 minute gap. Let's see what I want to do, bro. It doesn't really, this being undecisive now. It's just waiting time now. Not a lie. Oh, what the hell? Yo, we're missing a candle here, bro. What is y'all doing? What is y'all doing, bro? We're missing a candle there, bro. You guys see this? We're missing a candle there, bruh. What is going on with you guys? The only thing is that right now, like in the 5 minute chart, you can't really indicate any like breakup structures up here or like anything else like that, because it's just hard to indicate to see any confluence continuations. Like breakup structure would have been this one right here, but will we disrespect these gaps right here? Because we really came up to this gap. But well, that's not even a gap because this liquidity mark. So, and this one, we disrespected this one also. It's just probably another manipulation, bro. And then we can head it back then to the downside. That's what I probably believe because, bro, we're still looking bearish, bro. Look, we're still going down to the downside. If we see this too, bro, it's still going back to the downside. If anything, we want to see accumulation, just accumulate, start building more and more and more, sweeping, and then find another confluence to see if it's gonna show. But it did the opposite, not because we respected this fair value gap, this 1 minute fair value gap, and we disrespected this 1 hour gap. So now it's just pushing back to the upside. So if anything, we want to see the same thing on damn it. We want to see the same thing on an ES. And if we don't take a trade today, that's perfectly fine. At least it's better than no trade than a loss. But I really want to see this confluence pass, bro. Not gonna lie. Same thing. See, there you go. That's basically it. What the heck happened? Now I'm looking on the ES side, bro. And then we have this gap right here. I don't know what happened to this candle right here. This candle better get filled all the way through. Not gonna lie, if it's gonna go uptrend, I do want to see this right here for ES. So ES, if it's gonna go, if I see Nasdaq pushing back up, then I want to see this from ES where we're gonna break structure here, and then disrespect the fair value gap, and then we're probably in a equilibrium right now. Yeah, we're in equilibrium. So if we see Nasdaq pushing back up, I mean it pushed these highs, so I mean, and then if it pushes back up to these highs up here, I take a small trade to these highs and these highs up here because we do have a lot of highs up there. But it's still undecisive, bro. Like we're just liquidity sweeping all over, bro. We really gotta pick a side. They both have to be on the same page, bro. Oh shit, why am I looking at both at the same time? Yeah, like ES did not disrespect the fair value gap, but NASDAQ disrespected the fair value gap and it's just pushing back up. And then we have this 1 minute fair value gap right here. That's still undecisive, so we're just accumulating, bro. That's just accumulation right there, bro. Not gonna lie. I already need some. Thanks for Timmy. Put everybody on game, bro. We need some chill music real quick, bro. We need some relief the stress, bro. Cause these two indexes are being undecisive. Fucking Timmy with these songs, bro. Fucks with it. Oh shit. Alright, we both have to pick a side, bro. Come on. You guys have to pick a side. We respected these fair value gaps down here, bro. We took this fair value gap for sure. On ES, what do I see basically? It's kind of hard to figure it out, but we disrespected this fair value gap for sure. That fair value gap is not clean anymore. I do see this fair value gap right here, lowest on the lowest. Anything else? Well, we had this fair value gap, but we didn't even touch it at all, bro. So we just want to see a break to the upside on here, and then let's put on the 5-minute. Yeah, it's pushing back up, bro. It's pushing back up. Oh, never mind. It's being undecisive. It's being really undecisive, bro. Come on, ES. Both have to at least do a move. At least do a move. Do I see any fair value gaps up in here? No fair value gaps, just this big fair value gap that we have here. Just really want to break this and then see if we can break this fair value gap and disrespect it. But if that happened, ES already disrespected that fair value. No, Nasdaq already disrespected fair value gap for sure. If it keeps continuing doing this until 7:30, that it's gonna be 10:30 on Eastern time, I'm just not gonna take a trade no more. I'm just gonna let it be, bro. But we have to make a decision, bro. We do. Like, it's just accumulating sideways, bro. There's no reason why it's doing this. Doom, doom. Alright, so we do look bullish on both sides, so that's pretty good on the area. It's just that ES, it's looking a little bit better than... Bum 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Ah. We gotta manifest this shit that's gonna go back up to the upside, and this is gonna take all liquidity sweeps up into the upside, where we can take profits up to the upside in the high time frame. So at the 1 hour to the 4 hour to the previous daily highs and to our London and Asian sessions. Please, 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 please. Please let the candle pass into the market structure break and disrespecting our fair value gap so it can go back to the upside. Please, 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 please. And they're being on the side. They're both being on the side. We got bearish, we got bullish, bro. This 1 hour gap is gone. These liquidity sweeps are gone. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah. Let's go. Push it back up, push it back up, push it back up. Can y'all decide, bro? Can y'all decide, please? Please. I wanted to disrespect that 1 hour gap, not gonna lie. Is it even a 1 hour gap? No, it's like a 15-minute gap. Yeah, there we go. 15-minute gap. I wanted to disrespect the 15-minute gap. Fuck. For you. It's not breaking my market structure break. Freaking shit. There we go. Like on Nasdaq, we don't really have as plenty because it's like already on the highs. But on ES, it's like on the low side, so you can have a little bit more chance to get a little bit more profit on ES. So like, let's say we do pass the fair value gap onto this area, we're just gonna disrespect that fair value gap and just, because what it can do is just like touch the fair value gap again, like how I touched it here, and then push back down, and then touch again, push back down, touch again. So you want to see that disrespect. You want to see an inverse, bro. It's all patience, patience. If you don't have patience on this shit, bro, you're long gone. Long gone. Damn, this candle smells freaking good. It smells like an ocean. W to Timmy, putting on the game. Timmy. No one like you. Don't miss. Alright, we're pushing high now. I just wanted to pass that fair value gap, and then we can go ahead and enter to buy. Please do not inverse this gap. Well, please do not. Continue. Continue, please. Continue, 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 continue. Take it out. Take it out. NASDAQ is gonna take it out. Alright, did we both make a decision where we're heading now? Brothers? Did we make a decision in where we're gonna head now? Okay. Looking bullish now? Okay. Yeah, we both make a decision. Thank you very much for that smart decision from you guys. Oh shit. Come on, guys. You're playing with everybody's emotions. I just took these liquidities right here, but come on, bro. Really? Really? We made a decision that we agreed on. We're both agreed on. And we're pushing higher. That's what we agreed on. God damn it, I hate when this shit happens. Damn it. Imagine putting some Brock into it too, bro. W Tim with the jams. W Tim. Damn, we're already in an hour and 11 minutes, bro, and it's already about to be 30, about to be fucking 7:30, bro. It's about to be 10:30. Can we make a decision, please? That's what I mean, guys. Like, it's dropping back down, drop back up. It's just gonna be random, bro. All right, my bad, bro. We gotta switch it up real quick. We gotta switch it up. It's pushing up. It's pushing up. All right, we're pushing up, bro. We're pushing up. At least we're pushing up. That's what's good. All right, we gotta switch it up. We need the song right here. We need the song right here. All right. We pushed up. There we go. Pushed up. See, we're at 1 minute. 1 minute. We put up 1 month, bro. Pushing up. We just want that candle to close, bro. And we're probably are gonna take these highs right here. Same thing with these. I want me to dirty talks. Hell yeah. Close.
Order filled.
People are lying in the street, trying to find somebody who me, who'll get 'em to the top and give 'em that fast. Trying to get to that dirty cash, it doesn't matter. Woman or man, anyone who'll give 'em a hand, cash money. That green, cold cash, that's your scene.
I've no excuse. I just want you to use me. Take me and abuse me. I got no taboos. I make a trade with you. Do anything you want me to. Money talks. Dirty cash, I want you, and dirty cash, I need you. Oh, money talks. Dirty cash, I want you.
I want your money.
Dirty cash, I want you. Dirty cash, I need you. Oh, give me your money. Ooh, yeah. I want your money. Dirty cash, I want you. Dirty cash, I need you. Oh.
Shawty get hit. Shawty look hit when the lights on. Shawty look hit when the lights on. Shawty look hit when the lights on. Shawty look bitch when the lights on. Shawty look with the lights on. I ain't even fucking at the lights on. I ain't even fucking at the lights on. Shawty look hit with 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 the lights on. Turn the lights off, get the night on. Turn the lights off, get the night on. King Kong beat it to the
Come on, guys. You guys were going high right now, bro. There's no reason. You guys passed though, and then you guys disrespected the fair value gap. You guys have to go higher. Hands are sweating. 250, 212, 200. Push it hard. Mom's gonna come and she's like, "What you doing? What you blowing at the screen?" It's blowing it up. 285, 275, 285, 300. Fuck yeah. Push that shit up. Yes. Nasdaq is pushing up. You guys have to push up. We have so many highs to take care of, bro. These highs right here. Where's my thing? Oh, it's gonna show here. Shit. That's my shit. Push higher, push higher, push higher, push higher. Well, what other highs can we take care of? That's like the highest highs. $450, $450, $437, $437, $450, $450. I need at least $600 more, bro. We need 600 more, bro. Dipping out move, man. Dipping out the juice, man. Dipping out the juice, man. Dipping out the juice. Jesus. 512, 525. We're at 525. Hell yeah. Look at that impulse candle right there, bro. Hell yeah. We're both doing the same thing. Hell yeah, that's what we wanted. Oh, right, the 1 month. We don't want the 1 month. I have these highs up here. Took these highs right here. Took these highs. Oh shoot, I hate doing that. Oh, I keep saying that. There's no reason for you guys to stop there, bro. There's no reason. You gotta take these highs for sure. What is y'all doing? Push up, bro. We haven't took these highs. Bro, we're in an uptrend. What are you guys doing? Yeah, we took these highs. Bro, what is y'all doing, bro?
911, what is your emergency?
What is y'all doing? And we're taking these lows so we can get higher. 'Cause we haven't even touched the high. Am I missing something else? What am I missing? What is y'all doing, bro? No fucking way, bro. Bro, we haven't even took these highs yet. We have to take these highs. We have to. Can we switch to candles, please, bro? Bro, what's going on? Please be just a sweep for those. Push it back up.
I've no excuse. I just want you to use me.
Bro,
Take me and abuse me. I got no taboos. I make a trade with you. Do anything you want.
am I missing something?
Money talks. Money talks. Dirty cash, I want you. And dirty cash, I need you. Oh, money talks. Money talks. Dirty cash, I want you. Dirty cash, I need you. Oh. Dirty cash, I want you. Dirty cash, I need you. Oh.
What am I missing, bro?
Dirty cash, I want you. Dirty cash, I need you. Oh.
Dirty cash, the one that you asked for. I'm wanted by the rich and the poor. More and more, you just can't reject it. And I'm the one that can relate to you, him, her, and your buddy. Cause everybody wants some. Money ain't all, but you can't excuse it. The way I'm living, I got to use it.
I once had pride. Never saw the
Shotty get hit. Shotty look hit when the lights on. Shotty look hit when the lights on. Shotty look hit when the lights on. Shotty look bitch when the lights on. Shotty look with the lights on. I ain't even fucking let the lights on. I ain't even fucking let the lights on. Shotty look hit with the lights on. Shotty look hit with the lights on. Shotty look hit with the lights on.
Bro.
Shotty look hit with the lights on. Turn the lights off, get the night on. Turn the lights off, get the night on. King Kong beat it to the night on. Shorty fell in love with the python. Collect the commas, collect the commas, collect the commas, collect the commas. Collect the commas, collect the commas, collect the commas, collect the commas.
No fucking way. ES, bro.
If you gon' move, then tell me your schools, then
What is y'all doing?
any old school. If you gon' move, then tell me your schools, then
We really didn't even take highs, bro, at all. We're in an uptrend. And we still have plenty of highs up here.
collect the commas, 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 collect the commas. Collect the commas, collect the commas, collect the commas, collect the commas. Collect the commas, collect the commas, collect the commas, collect the commas. Collect the commas, collect the commas, collect the commas, collect the commas. Blowing up, bitch, hold my shit. Ain't no talking, I don't know that bitch. Cut her off, I can't hear that bitch. Lawnmower and I'll mow that bitch.
Oh my god.
Like I owe that bitch. Like I told that bitch. I ain't talking, I don't know that bitch. Ran off like they gon' tow my shit. 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 That's my shit. My shit. That's my shit. My shit.
Wow, we're inversing back down, bro. Like, freaking for real?
Oh, right hand, Michael Jackson with the
Bro, we didn't even take these highs at all.
with the motherfucker. My right hand, Michael Jackson with the motherfucker. My right hand, Michael Jackson with the motherfucker's right hand.
It's about to stop me out, you guys. I'm at 350. Stop out. Oh my fucking god.
Jackson with the motherfucker. My right hand, Michael Jackson with the motherfucker. My right
It's about to stop me out.
hand, Michael Jackson with the motherfucker's right hand.
Out of nowhere, it just decided to go down trend now. Yeah, it's gonna stop me out, bro.
If you gon' move, then tell me your schools, then tell me your food, then any old soul. If you
Stop field.
Yeah, it stopped me out, bro. Bullshit.
any old soul.
I should have just took profit on this one, bro. Not gonna lie. But it's what it is. I gotta stop that out. Now I want to see what it's gonna do. It just reversed back down, bro. It is what it is. At least I didn't lose as much, but I got stop filled on that. It's all good. I was really expecting to reach up here, bro. Didn't really reach up there at all. I mean, positive highs were there, but I don't really get it. This was an imbalanced candle. Oh, that's what happened. Just reached the middle of that candle right there. At least I didn't lose as much, but fuck. It is what it is, bro. You lost. It doesn't show me, but I think I lost like 300 or 400 points. Yeah, that's the game.
911, what is your emergency?
It is what it is. That's crazy because I should have just looked at this imbalanced candle right here. Well, it's imbalanced with in the middle of it. Now we know. If it pushes higher and if it doesn't, if it pushes lower, just take profits there. That's why I can just take profits here and be at the $400 range and fuck it. Fuck it, it's what it is, bro. Catch you guys another day. See you guys later. Deuces.